Today, I'll show you how to find an Amazon promo code in 2026. The process has changed over the years, and the days of endlessly scouring coupon sites only to find expired codes are, thankfully, behind us. Instead, Amazon has integrated promo codes directly into their platform, making it easier than ever to save money while shopping. Let's dive into the steps to uncover these hidden gems. First, head over to Amazon's website and locate the Today's Deals section. This is your gateway to the latest discounts and offers available on Amazon. You can typically find this section prominently displayed on the home page or under the menu if you're using the app. The Today's Deals page is a treasure trove of savings opportunities updated frequently to reflect the latest and best deals. As you navigate to this section, keep an eye out for the specific area dedicated to coupons. It's usually positioned at the upper part of the page, making it relatively easy to spot. Amazon has streamlined this feature, making it much more user-friendly compared to the third-party coupon sites of the past. Once you've located the coupon section, you can start browsing through the different categories that interest you. Whether you're looking for electronics, groceries, or any other category, you'll find a range of coupons available. This categorization makes it simple to find relevant deals without sifting through unrelated offers. As you explore, you'll notice options to either clip coupon or a checkbox next to each deal. By clicking clip coupon or toggling the checkbox, you're essentially adding the promo code to your account. This process is seamless and ensures that the discount will be automatically applied to your purchase when you check out. Now, a little tip here. Make sure to double check that the coupon has been successfully added to your account by visiting your cart or the checkout page. Occasionally, there may be limitations or specific conditions attached to a coupon, so it's always a good idea to verify before finalizing your purchase. And there you have it. This streamlined approach to finding Amazon promo codes directly within their ecosystem not only saves you time, but also enhances your shopping experience by presenting you with up-to-date, valid discounts. Just remember to check back regularly as these deals can change frequently, offering new opportunities to save with each visit. I hope this guide helps you navigate the world of Amazon promo codes more efficiently in 2026. Happy shopping, and may your cart be filled with great deals.